Welcome to our Europe road trip. In our last video, we showed you Norway to Denmark cruise ship journey. आज हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे टूवर्ड्स बर्लिन और हम आपको दिखाएंगे फेमस अट्रैक्शन जो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. This is our hotel where we're gonna stay in Berlin. If you don't wanna walk and explore the area, this cruise ship is best for you because it covers more destinations you can see and you can also enjoy the view.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
If you're worried that there's low bridge and your child could be hurt, it even gives you a reminder that there's a low bridge. Please sit down.
On top of
And if you need a break, men's in the way, it even gives you one break. And there's a restaurant on the front of the break area. I love this ship because you can say hi to others in another ship. You can explore most of the things by this ship in the river.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And there's a bridge coming ahead where you can see people going by and so many buildings and stuff. If your child wants ice cream, there's a mini ice cream shop where you can buy ice cream for only 10 kroners or 15 kroners.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
This ship is a 2-floor ship, so if you don't want to sit on upstairs, you can sit, of course, downstairs. It's your final choice.
On top of the world, flying, get on board.
And if you have not seen episode 1, please, it's in the description. Please watch that first. And please like, please subscribe. And please click the bell icon. Then you can have every video we upload, you can have a notification.
hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.